Hello and warm welcome to everyone joining us today. I'm your host Dalvinder Kaur from lovely Professional University. So let's dive into today's topic, Quantiverse, navigating the multiverse of data science and machine learning with Quantify. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Mohit Arora, Associate Professor, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Lovely Professional University, bringing over 14 years of experience in academia, research, and AI driven innovation. Dr. Arora has made significant contributions to effort estimation in medical diagnostics, anomaly detection, and more. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Bhupender Singh, also in this webinar. He is alumni. Welcome, Mr. Bhupender Singh. He is campus hiring specialist in Quantify. He plays a key role in campus hiring, managing campus engagement, initiatives, and strategic projects. Mr. Bhupender is passionate about creating meaningful career opportunities and more. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Mr. Ajmer Singh. He is assistant professor at Lovely Professional University, School of Electronics and Electrical Engineering, with over 10 years of teaching experience, joining us today. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be just from my side in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our experts, Dr. Mohit Arora and Mr. Bhupender Singh, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the kind introduction. So, a very warm welcome to all the attendees joining us today for this intellectually enriching and future focused webinar on Quantiverse navigating the multiverse of data science and machine learning with Quantify. So, I'm Dr. Mohit Arora, Associate Professor and Head of Machine Learning Domain in School of Computer Science and Engineering at LPU. And I'm absolutely delighted to be hosting this exciting session today. As we all know, data science and machine learning are no longer just buzzwords. They are reshaping industries, transforming businesses, and unlocking solutions to some of the world's most complex problems. In this ever evolving digital age, bridging the gap between academia and industry is more important than ever. And that's exactly what this session is all about. Today, we are honored to be joined by some brilliant minds from Quantify, Mr. Bhupender Singh, our proud LPU alumnus, and now a campus hiring specialist at Quantify, who perfectly represent how passion, skill, and opportunity converge to build a successful career in tech. Before joining Quantify, he gained valuable experience working with two reputed edtech firms. Today, as a campus hiring specialist at Quantify, he plays a pivotal role in campus engagement initiatives and several strategic hiring projects, effectively bridging the gap between business needs and human potential. Throughout this session, we'll explore not just the technical dimensions of data science and machine learning, but also the career pathways, hiring trends, and skills that industry leaders like Quantify value in the today's digital talent. So I urge all our participants to make the most of this opportunity, ask questions, interact with the speakers, and let curiosity drive your learning today. So without further ado, let's begin this journey into Quantiverse, where data becomes insight and insight becomes impact. Over to you, Mr. Bhupinder.
Thanks a lot, Mohit sir. I mean, like you definitely mentioned about a lot of keywords during the introduction about Quantify, about me. Right? You talked about complex problems. You talked about bridging the gap between academia and the industry, right? And you rightly mentioned about the trends, right? Machine learning, all of the keywords, right? So throughout this presentation, our main focus will be to give you a little bit of insight about the industry, what the industry trends has been, and how it's going to move forward, and how you can definitely make sure that you are going in the right direction and you're future proof for the next 20-30 years, right? Because when we look at the IT industry, it's ever evolving, right? Back then in 10-15 years back, right, people were very fascinated about cloud, right? Now people are going towards Gen AI, towards strategic AI, right? Now, definitely in the future as well, there will be some new technologies upcoming, right? So, how you can make sure that you are ready for the future? Okay, so in this particular session, for the first half, I'll give you the details about Quantify. Okay, what is Quantify? What do we do in Quantify? Our expertise, our backbone, and stuff. And once that is done, we'll move into what we have in the bucket for all of you, what you can get out of this program if you'll enroll here. Okay, so this, I mean, you can, from the start of the session, it will be beneficial uh, if you can stay and if you can make some notes on the keywords that we will be talking about. So firstly, let's understand about Quantify. What is this company, right? What do we do with the help of a video?
We exist in a world defined by newer problems and shifting paradigms, where every challenge is bigger and more complex than ever before.
We at Quantify believe in our ability to solve, adapt, and transform.
As we are a bunch of passionate problem solvers,
With a common goal of impacting lives and contributing to positive change in the world.
From AI-assisted decision-making and improving patient-centric care for healthcare providers,
to creating personalized learning experiences with researchers and educators,
To helping the public sector in progressing towards smart cities and smart governance.
to reimagining the traditional insurance process,
to powering quality and productivity for manufacturers.
To providing seamless blend of online and in-store experiences and impactful customer insights for retailers. We are solving what matters to you, day in, day out.
With our unique approach of combining applied AI and cutting-edge ML research,
Data engineering practices and cutting-edge cloud capabilities.
multiplied with a proven business acumen and raised to the power of passion,
we are devoting ourselves to solving the most complex challenges at the heart of your business.
as a trusted partner.
Enabling you to transform and achieve breakthrough results at unprecedented speed.
Got a challenge?
Let us solve it together.
Quantify. Solving what matters.
Perfect. So maybe you might have seen a lot of graphics, a lot of keywords in the video, right? You might have seen uh, some drones, you might have seen some manufacturing of a car or something, right? Life sciences, scientists are creating some drugs and stuff, right? A lot of retails graphics you might have seen. So this tells that Quantify is working in all of these sectors, all of these industries. So we are not specific to IT only. We provide our expertise of artificial intelligence, data, cloud, and number of expertise that we will definitely discuss in the further slides in detail to all of the industries. The main motive of Quantify is to solve the problems which which definitely can affect a real world problem. uh, and you might have seen that we are working on all the complex problems that are out there in the industries. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about Quantify and the background. So back then in 2013, four of our founders founded this IT MNC. Now we are a strength of more than 3,500 professionals globally, uh, present across different regions of the world, be it Boston, Chicago, Toronto, London, um, and number of other locations. And in India, we are operating from three different locations: Mumbai, Bangalore, and Trivandrum. I am based out of Mumbai location. You can see a lot of numbers are presented in this slide in the left hand side that we call it as highlights, right? So 2013 was the year of inception when the cloud was booming up. So we call ourselves as one of the company who were born in the cloud era, Right now, we are one of the company who is putting AI first, so that's why we call ourselves as uh, AI first digital engineering company. We try to solve all of the problems using our expertise. Our expertise can be in different domains or various domains, be it data science, machine learning, document AI, data analysis, or data modernization. It can be upon n number of other things, right? So we are not restricted to a particular expertise. Now, when we have to give our expertise to any of the client, or client again can be from any of the industry, it can be from a finance industry, healthcare, manufacturing, multimedia, gaming, healthcare. So we have to provide all of these solutions on a top of a cloud, right? So that's why we have tied up with some of the market leaders in the cloud segment. You might have heard of GCP, AWS. So we are the partners of them. And that's why on the right hand side of the slide, you can see partnerships and certifications. So out of 3,500 employees in Quantify, 1,100 plus employees are GCP certified, 700 plus are AWS certified. Similarly, the numbers are there for others. We are also one of the partner of NVIDIA as well. So now when I'm talking about AWS and GCP, so uh, we have recently won Partner of the Year for GCP as well. That summed up to 17 awards from the last from our tenured partnership with GCP. And you can see like we are growing year on year from 2.5x growth. We have more than 200 global customers throughout, and we have completed more than 1500 projects. Actually, this number is not updated. So this is a little bit about Quantify or background. Now let's see who are our founders or backbone. We'll see in the next slide. So our awards and accolades. When we are talking about all of our expertise and stuff, right, there should be something which can uh, display our expertise, that yes, definitely we are experts in these areas. So that's why we have uh, calibrated our awards and accolades into multiple brackets. So you can see we have been the partnered and tenured partner for GCP and AWS. That's why we won 17 awards for GCP, 3 awards for AWS, 2 awards from Snowflake, and 3 awards from NVIDIA as well. Now, having said that, we you might be thinking that we are a service-based company. Definitely that we are, but apart from it as well, we do have our own products. You might have been using ChatGPT or Gemini for some of your assignments or other stuff. Similarly, we have Docufy. Docufy is also a GenAI LLM model, which also helps in creating the content. Okay, but Docufy Bionic is specific for the enterprises only. Now we have our own R&D team as well. You can see that we have award a number of awards from some of the esteemed reputed organizations as well, like Everest Group, IDC, Gartner, Forrester, and all. Similarly, we on top of all of these expertise, all of the services that we provide to the clients, we are a people first organization. That's why we are 5 time GPTW Great Place to Work certified in a row now. And there are multiple awards under GPTW as well, which you can see in your screen. Now, being an IT company, right, we definitely have to leverage our processes over everything as per the latest trend, and automate as much as we can. That's why we have been awarded with SHRM award as well, which we recently got. So these are about our awards and accolades. Okay, so these are all of them are our backbones. Talking first about our co-founders, Asif, Rekhu, Ritesh, and Vivek are our co-founders, while Renuka and Aaron Tas are our board members. Quantify is a Series A funded organization back then. Now we have also acquired one of the company in Canada for expanding our healthcare segment, that is Ecrion. And again, one of the slide which talks about our partnerships and industries where we provide our expertise to. Okay, so what does how Quantify creates a difference apart from the other companies? So firstly, we are niche in end-to-end solutions. We are not one of the company who are just working upon application development or web development, right? No, we are working on niche technologies like AI, ML capabilities. It can be on big data or any other stuff, right? And definitely all of these expertise on the top of a cloud. As I read discussed earlier as well, that we are one of the company who were born in the cloud era, so we have the upper hand on all of these segments as well. It creates a value proposition, definitely, for sure, when you work for a company who are completely into niche end-to-end solutions. And we value our people. That's why you saw that we have won a lot of awards for the people centric, be it GPTW, SHRM, and others, right? So people are definitely our assets, and they are the ones only who can drive the outcomes in the company. So I'll not talk much about it because this is a lot technical, but I can give you a brief on it. So this is the engineering portfolio of Quantify. We call it as a brainer slide, in which the left hand side is the applied AI and the right hand side is the infrastructure and data solutions. So these are n number of solutions that we provide to our clients, be it security and access management, data lake, cloud migration, data visualization, send time series forecasting. It can be document AI, speech interfaces, and all. Okay, so this was all about Quantify. What do we do as an organization? Now let's get to know a bit deeper about the program, what this program is all about. Okay, cool. So this is one of the first program and kind of degree that we have initiated with, in which a student can get access of all of the industry problems. They'll be working along with the company while they are still in the academic curriculums and stuff, right? So this will give an upper hand to a particular student who is there, who is working day in, day out. Now, let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose there are two students, person A and person B. Person A is doing a normal CSC program, BTech CSC. Person B is going through this particular program which we are talking about. Now, the person A will go to the campus, attend all the assignments, exams, classes, right, like a normal student. But the person B is parallelly doing all the stuff that person A is doing, but on the first and second year, that person is also getting interacted with the industry experts from Quantify, uh, where they are getting trained on multiple aspects. Uh, they are participating in a lot of hackathons, workshops provided by the company. Now, in the third and the fourth year, that person is going to the base location of the company, and for the whole those 2 years, that person will be working with the company as an intern, wherein they'll be getting hands-on to the projects, right? So at the end of the BTech, there will be a huge difference between both person A and person B, definitely, for sure, because person B is having the real life industry problems exposure. They have that experience, while the person A is just having the academic curriculum, right? So this program talks about all of those things only. Now you can see immersive learning with the best in the industry for artificial intelligence, software development, data engineering, platform engineering, right? uh, the ones who will be coming to Quantify as an intern, who will be enrolling in this program, they'll also get access to learn certifications program of GCP and AWS as well, right? And definitely we are one of the company who are working with Fortune 500 companies. So you'll the portfolio of those students will be much bigger than the person who is just doing the academic projects and the curriculum. So now you can see some of the key basic areas where we will be focusing upon year on year. In the first year, the students will be getting hang on to the basic programming, data management, and stuff, right? But from the second year onwards, it will be a specialized role, whether in tools, framework engineer, or machine learning, and accordingly, the curriculum will be designed by Quantify. And in the third and the fourth year, they have to come to the base location where they'll be getting trained on multiple aspects. Parallelly, they'll be working on the real life projects as well. All right. So now this is one of the important slide. Now, firstly, when the intern will be coming to Quantify on the third and the fourth year, will they get paid? Definitely, they'll get paid. We already have a batch of interns who are working with us and they are getting paid during their internship. Now, coming from lovely professional university to the base location of Quantify, either Mumbai or Bangalore, they'll incur a cost, right, during the relocation. So those interns will get the relocation benefits as well. They'll be getting help during the relocation. There is a reward program that we run. So out of the CAD program, whosoever will be the top 5% or top 5% performers of the batch, they'll get the support from Quantify towards their education as well. As I talked about, all the interns will be having feasibility to get certifications either on GCP, AWS, it can be Snowflake, Looker, which will be completely paid by Quantify, and all of these certifications actually comes with a hefty cost. Now, what will happen after the fourth year, right? So all the ones who will be coming to Quantify, they'll not be having any sort of bond or something. If they wish to go back to their campus and sit in the campus process, definitely they can. But they'll also get a lateral offer from Quantify because they have been working with us from the last 2 years. So they'll get the salary equivalent to the 2 years experience candidate in the industry. So there is no bond. You'll be having a choice whether you want to go back to your campus for the placements or you want to join Quantify. There is absolutely zero bond. Okay, there are a lot of benefits that you'll be getting in Quantify. It can be so definitely it will take an entire day for me if I'm talking about all the benefits of Quantify, but we have categorized it into multiple buckets to make you understand better. Your benefits will be on healthcare, your mental wellness, global mobility, upskilling, and growth. So this is all about the program that we have. I would like to invite Ajmer sir to take it.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhupender Singh. Now I would request to admission nominee Mr. Ajmer Singh to be on the screen. Over to you, Mr. Ajmer Singh.
Thank you, Delinda ma'am. Thank you, Babita sir. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I'm just sharing my right. I hope my screen is visible.
Screen is visible.
I'm just
You
going to
can.
yeah. Thank you. I'm just going to share the few major highlights about Lovely Professional University and how it will become benefit for the applicant to pursue their courses at Lovely Professional University and the courses we are discussing about the tie-up with the Quantify. First, if I talk about the Lovely Professional University, we are the largest private university, you can say. We have almost 200 plus program and in which we have 40 plus disciplines and we are running this thing from last you can say 2005. Currently, LPU is the home of 30,000 plus students, which are not only from, you can say, India, they are from different country, more than 50 plus countries. And we are the one of the excellency academic hub and industrial partnership with the different industry for different programs. Recently, Lovely Professional University got NAC A++ grade, where we scored 3.68 on the scale of 4, which is a big achievement. So, as you know, the A++ is the highest grade in the NAC accreditation, so which indicate uh, the Lovely Professional University's standards and quality of educations. Okay, we conducted. It's not only the one accreditation which we have. We also have the accreditation of UGC for all our PG and UG and PhD programs. Okay. For specific, if I talk about the agriculture program, we also have the accreditation of the ICAR for the 8 MSc agriculture program and BSc honors program, which is the graduation level. Apart from this, we recently got the NB accreditation also for our core BTech program, okay, which include BTech CSC, BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering, BTech Mechanical Engineering, and BTech Civil Engineering. We also have the NB accreditation for management program, which include the MBA, right? And there are many more accreditation and approval from different organizations, which you can also anytime access on our website, right? There is one more ranking which I want to quote here. It is the NIRF ranking. NIRF is you can say governed by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So it's a government ranking where we are standing 27th among all the government and private university in the India. Uh, we also have the 16th rank in pharmacy, 19 in law, 22nd in agriculture and allied sciences, 24th in architecture and planning. We have are 38 in management, 44 in research and institute, 50 in engineering, and we are in the band of 11 to 50 for innovation practice. Okay. NIRF ranking is the national level ranking, and university also have the international level ranking, which is the Times Higher Education ranking. We are in the 99th rank in the world from all the different countries, all the different universities, which make us in the top 100 university in the world. We are also sixth in India, hosting the Times Higher Education ranking, which include all the IITs and NIT university and the private institute also. We have some memberships with the bodies for the selected programs, which include the Association to Advance Careers School for Business. We also have the Association of Indian Universities, International Association of Universities, the Institute of Engineering, and a few more, right? If I talk about the key highlights about the campus and facilities, if I talk about the infrastructure, we have the modern infrastructure, which include the smart classrooms. We can say a huge library, advanced labs, and research centers. We also have the on-campus accommodations with food court, medical facilities, 24 by 7 security is available. Okay. If I'm talking about the sports service which are available, we have the sport complex inside the university campus. We have that include the swimming pool, gym facilities also. For career and counseling sports, we have the different cells. For international students, we have a dedicated cell for their student sports services, right? If I just give you the few highlights about the facility which are available inside the campus, we have the full-length swimming pool. We have the badminton court, basketball court, shooting range, boxing court, and even the outdoor games also. Okay. If I give you the overview about the residential facilities, the apartments are very cozy and home-style apartments. Okay. We have the in-house laundry facility available for the resident students. The mess are very hygienic and clean, okay, for all the hostel, for all the residential. Gym facility is available for student inside the campus. If I'm talk about the research and innovation achievements by the university stakeholders, including faculty, students, graduation level or post-graduation level, overall, Lovely Professional University is holding 26,500 plus publications, from which we got almost 1,78,000 plus Scopus citations. And we also have the funded project, which are in the range of 90 9 plus thousand. Okay. And IPR are also there, okay, which are 2,000 plus. These include, if I talk about the placement, which is the key role for the professional course, why students are doing professional degrees, professional course, placement is the key factors there. Recently, our student from the BTech passing out batch got 1 crore package. Uh, he belonged to the BTech robotics and automation field, and many other students also. Pavan got 1 crore package. Education got 64 lakh package. Arjun got 62.72 lakh package, and few more. There is also one record-breaking achievement by the LPU student who's passing in this year 2025. Okay. So Vishnu, he is BTech robotics and automation student. He belonged to the batch of 2022 intake and 2025 passing out. He has a CGPA of 8.46 overall. He got exciting and the record-breaking package of 2.5 crore as a senior principal AI and robotic engineer. Right. If I talk about the overall placements of the LPU recently celebrated their placement day with their almost 1,700 plus students, those who score the package of 10 lakh and above. Okay. We also have some more exciting placement highlights. Okay. These are some of the alumni which are hosting good package and at are the good position in the industry. There are some success stories from the different disciplines. Okay. Skipping it. Uh, the LPU campus is full with exciting events that start from Spectra to fashion show to One India, One World. Okay. So where I give you the little bit idea what is One India. One India is nothing but a cultural event where we celebrate the diversity with music, dance, and fashion and more. Okay. And Spectre 2024 was all about celebrating the unique talents, creativity, and cultural diversity within the LPU community. So there are many events which we host on annual basis. LPU students also got the opportunity to met with the industrial and renowned personalities. So LPU student visited uh, the presence of Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, okay, MS Dhoni, okay, well-known professional cricketer, and many more Bollywood and other personalities. Okay. We are conducting a seminar, workshop, and conference on a regular basis to give the expert idea, to give the industrial update to the students, which include the industry expert, which include the skill development workshop and program, which include the research conference, okay, and there are sometimes collaboration with the other universities also, and guest lecture from well-known speakers all across the industries. LPU also taken an initiative which is come under the category of study grant, where we are providing student the opportunity to study outside the LPU. Okay, if the students are good and they can apply for LPU study grant, and if they score good, and based on that, if they get their admission in some of the eligible institute like IITs, NITs, IIMs, okay, NLU, IHMs, and more, they get the benefit of the study grant. Okay. So students choose to enroll LPU program and avail themselves a scholarship up to 9.52 lakh, okay, in the last year. Sorry. If we talk about the scholarship opportunities in LPU, the scholarship is depend upon the student caliber. Okay. There are the different ways, there are the different dimensions on the basis of which student can get the scholarship. either based on their 12th percentage marks or based on their uh, good performance in the entrance exam or based on their good performance in the state level exam. Okay. Even the school toppers, both toppers, can get 100% scholarship also on tuition fees, right? We also have some special category scholarship which include the innovation and entrepreneurship scholarship, sports cultural achievement based scholarship, social service based scholarship. So if student is doing exceptionally good in any of the field, LPU recognize their presence and reward it. Okay. We also have some additional financial aid and need-based assistance for those students which are can say which need it. So there are many category in this also. If we talk about some special scholarship related to the topper of the education board, it's a 100% fee waiver. It's a 100% scholarship with four-seater accommodation, free accommodation. Okay. And there is also two more special scholarship. One is Rakshak Samman Anudhan and second one is the Sikshak Samman Anudhan. In case of Rakshak Samman Anudhan, all the defense families they can get financial aid up to 50% of their tuition fees. And in case of Sikshak Samman Anudhan, all the award of the teacher family all over the India, they can get up to 20% financial aid. If I talk about the other achievement in terms of sports, we also have the big achievements, not at the state or national level, even at the international level, also at the Olympic level also. Okay. These are a few of our alumni which score gold medals, bronze medals at the 19 Asian Games. Okay. There are many more cultural and sports achievements. There are few highlights of those achievements, right? So this is all about the basic idea. Now I just want to go to the live website of LPU so that if you want to visit the website for more detail, you can simply go to lpu.in. And further, you want to know more about the admission, you can go for the regular program, and then you can select the qualification, what is your last qualification. Suppose you have the 12th and then you want to go for the engineering program, you can select for engineering. You are interested in the CSE stream, you can select CSE here. And then we have the set of program, different opportunity depend upon your interest. Here recently we are talking about the program which are in tie-up with Quantify. Okay, so you can scroll down and there will be a program. Wait, data science engineering, this one the program which we are talking about, BTech CSC artificial intelligence and data analytics in tie-up with Quantify. You can click, you can see the detail, all the detail which we have discussed here are available on this page. Okay. If you still need any query or you can ask me. This is all from my side. Thank you Dalindra.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajmer Singh. Can we take questions now, Mr. Mohit, Dr. Mohit, Mr. Bhupendra, and Mr. Ajmer Singh?
Yes ma'am, sure.
Sure,
Thanks
ma'am.
for giving me chance to address your questions. Now let's start with first question, Mr. Ajmer. Someone is asking about the placements. How are the placements done in LPU and what's the process?
Okay, nice. Thank you. Placement is the integral part of, you can say, the student curriculum. Student start taking inputs from their first semester only. We start preparing student for their placement scoring from the first semester only, which include the PEP classes and multiple things. And once student get prepared, university give ample number of opportunity to the student and number of companies are visiting the university campus. A big brand from Microsoft, Amazon, yeah, and these companies are visiting university. And once student is interested, they can register for the drive. Once they register for the drive, depend upon the company requirement, some rounds are being conducted, and student those score good marks and qualify those wrong, they get placed.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Ajmer. I hope you got your answer from our today's expert, Mr. Ajmer Singh. Radhika is asking what strategies can be employed within the Quantiverse to balance model performance and ethical considerations. Dr. Mr. Mohit, Mr. Bhupendra, Mr. Bhupendra, can you please take this question?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Some network
Yes,
issue. Can you
Mr.
please come
Bhupendra.
again?
Can I repeat the question?
Hello. Ma'am, am I
Can you
audible?
please switch on your video, Mr. Bhupendra Singh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear
Can
me?
I, yeah, can I repeat the question?
Sure, sure. Please tell me.
What strategies can be employed within the Quantiverse to balance model performance and ethical considerations?
Okay, so maybe this might be referring to the academics and then all the things that we are doing within the Quantiverse or this particular program, right? So definitely this will get a hang on to all the technologies that we will be working upon, right? Now this can be diverse technologies that they'll get a hang on throughout this particular program, right? Talk a bit apart from their curriculum. It will be heavy on uh, the new technology trends, be it LLMs, Gen AI, and other stuff, right? Having said that, there'll be a proper balance between both of them because we are well we are well aware about your situations. All the necessary uh, all the necessary courses, all the necessary engagement activities that we will be doing will be balanced with your academics. And parallelly, all once you'll be getting into Quantify for your internship, definitely you'll be working with a number of other projects along with some of the courses that will be assigned to you through Quantify. So all of that will be balanced. So you don't need to worry about it.
Thank you so much. I hope, Radhika, you got your answer from our today's expert, Mr. Bhupender Singh. So, Gurpreet is asking, how does the concept of a multiverse apply to model selection and assemble learning in machine learning?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get the question actually.
Okay, I'm repeating the question. How does the concept of a multiverse apply to model selection and assemble learning in machine learning?
Okay, so that's completely into a technical side question, right? I might definitely not be the right spock for it. Dr. Mohit, if you want to add something here.
Maybe Mr. Dr. Mohit is not with us.
Hello.
Yes, Dr. Mohit.
Yeah. So actually, I'm in the middle of something. Uh, I'm sorry. Can you please repeat the question? How the
Yes, no
concept
problem.
of multiverse?
The concept of multiverse apply to model selection and assemble learning in machine learning.
Okay. Well, right now, multiverse concept in its is in its very nascent stage. Okay, uh, we are transitioning from the theoretical frameworks to the practical demonstrations. Okay, like people at educational institutes and industries, they are creating digital twins, bots, and to create all these technologies, digital twins or bots, we are using or leveraging machine learning and deep learning applications. Okay, so it is an umbrella term which include a lot of other things. So definitely machine learning, deep learning, ensemble learning, which the student is asking. Ensemble is like we can create a strong classifier or a strong regressor based on certain weak classifiers or weak learning models. So, so by employing all these machine learning, deep learning, and ensemble techniques, we can create robust multiverse architectures. And I'm sure that everyone of us have heard of Google Lens. We all know about AR, VR, augmented reality, virtual reality, and a very popular library I would like to special mention here, like OpenCV. We have seen that all those smart cities, smart vehicles, and all those driverless cars, they are automatically detecting the obstacles, objects on the way, and that is only possible because of the AI and ML algorithms. Okay, so one more special mention I would like to give here is the use of Ultralytics Hub. So I would like the student or our Verto to explore this app also. It is available on Android and I hope in on iPhone also, that Ultralytics Hub, which is making use of YOLO and other OpenCV libraries, and we can easily see how we can craft around us in a kind of a multiverse architecture. So, okay, that's it.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Mohit, Mr. Bhupender Singh, and Mr. Ajmer Singh. I hope all the participants got their answers from our today's experts. If anyone have any questions regarding the admissions, they just write on us at admissions@lpu.co.in, and you can do WhatsApp chat with us. Our WhatsApp number is 985256900. I'm repeating the number. It's 985256900. Once again, thanks to our all experts. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admissions. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a good day.